Hello Shadow Crafters, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for supporting my work thus far. Today I have another craftkitsune box. Let's find out what's in it. Don't forget to save this stuff when you have to repackage something. Okay, so woodland animals, exclusive mold set, 2-part 1:1 resin, wood clay, Morandi pigment brown, clay texture tool. I like that. Okay, I gotta be bigger, but it's something to work with, and it's really squishy. It's like marshmallows. Thank you for that. I never use Morandi. They just sit and get old. Here's the 2 1:1 mix, which are pretty good. I've been using that a lot lately. Oh, okay. Hold on. I'm gonna have to find a special place to put this so it doesn't get bent. It's made out of aluminum, but it's very, very strong. Okay, let's see what the molds look like. Okay, that looks like a little squirrel. Really teeny weeny. You could probably use UV resin in this. This looks like a fox. And this is an owl. Well, thank you very much for watching me open my package. Nice to know you can get really cute stuff still. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Hit that like button, please. It helps me out a lot. Don't forget to donate to my coffee fund. And have a great day. Namaste.